प्रिया जी कैसा लग रहा है अभी तक?
सर बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है।
क्या कशिर पच्चू तो एक कात करावाएं कि मंచి हिंदी चला?
उनसे हिंदी चलान पर which is कुंडलेट म्यून मर्ज से कशर करान
बिचस म्याने पन्ने माज सित कशिर
पन्ने
पट
मर्ज।
कात कर ओके गुड. ना तीची प्रैक्टिस से थी कैसा थोड़ा फर्क. अजीत जी, हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
Sir, good morning. Sir, I am very good. And how are you, sir?
आई एम डेफिनेटली बेटर टुडे, डेफिनेटली मच बेटर टुडे. At least I am able to move my hand a little bit now. Yeah.
Uh,
बाकी बढ़िया. और कैसा चल रहा है आपका? कश्मीरी कैसी चल रही है अजीत जी?
ठीक चल रहा है बस slightly committed with some issues and all, but however I'm whatever best time I'm trying to find for my learning, I'm doing so, sir. So I'm generally good. I'm generally good. I know now whatever it is, and only thing is I have to develop speaking sentences and speaking in Kashmiri.
इनफैक्ट अब के बाद तो हम लोग वही कर रहे हैं एक्चुअली. फ्रॉम लेसन 6 ऑनवर्ड्स इट्स मोर ऑफ sentences how we speak generally. I think अभी طيب I'm fikri could catch for it. Let me mix a little Kashmiri with it, so
Sir,
you will understand it. Okay.
sir.
सीमा जी क्या हमारा तो क्या चो कोतवो तोन
नमस्कार
कशर.
मामा
नमस्कार नमस्कार कोतवो तोन कशर.
बचत करान मार पूर जोर पान कोशिश
ना तो चो बड़ा एक्चुअल तो क्या चो you will be definitely able to. मतलब कशर पट कात करें. In fact, why don't you try to आज का जो तो सिर्फ कशर पट ही का doesn't matter what is the, don't worry about it. तो करीब आज कशर पट ही का. Let us start doing that. क्या
बचत
इसकी
करान
या
मार हाँ
हाँ हाँ या क्लासेस में ना करे तो कोशिश कैंशन परवाए whatever we do था. थोड़ा सा 19-20 होगा doesn't matter, and that's the way we go about it. इसका तो अंग्रेजी तगान, इसका तो हिंदी तगान, कशर तगान. तो naturally वार वार से छाने थे.
हाँ जी
Vanishka ji, Vanshika, sorry, I always pronounce your name wrongly, huh? Vanshika, because I have a niece whose name is Vanishka, so that's why I always get confused between you and her.
Oh, okay, okay. हाँ जी,
हाँ हाँ वंशिका बोलिए dear. कैसे चल
नहीं
रहा है अभी?
ठीक बट हाँ
ठीक है चलन. कशीर
हाँ
पे
जी
चलन. कथ बात सब तो करा कशीर पे क्या ना विन्नी क्या.
अ, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा
चलो कैशन पर आयो. वानी जी.
हाँ, नमस्कार।
नमस्कार वानी जी. क्या कश्मीरी बात हो रही है? क्या हो रहा है अभी? हाउ इज इट गोइंग?
कमजाद
कम ज्यादा चलो ठीक है. कम ज्यादा मतलब क्या क्या कुछ होता है बात करें. क्या क्या होता है वना. तो मैंने उसके
खाना
सवाल चाय चाय चेव वलिव
हाँ
चाय चमो वलिव बात खेमो ताई क्यो
या
बात मतलब राइट. स्टार्ट
have you
समथिंग.
eaten या
त्रेश कच
uh,
यह पोन यह मोन हमसाय यह मेव.
yeah
मतलब इस पे थोड़ा 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 whatever words we have learned ना थोड़ा कशिर पे करने से इनके सवाल पर.
yes actually
चलो
mostly I am acquainted with the food so I am using food
वे चलो गुड गुड. वंशिका वानी प्लक्षा.
नमस्कार
नमस्कार. वीडियो ऑन कर दीजिए एंड मेरे को बताइए कि तो क्या कहाँ कश्मीरी पहुंच गई आपकी?
म्योन घर वाल कशिर पट कत करान
अच्छा.
समझ आता है थोड़ा थोड़ा
हाँ
बात
ना ना समझ आता है नहीं वंश कारण कशिर पठी चिकात करें. ठीक
कमी
है.
कमी करान
हाँ कैशन परवाय. बात ख्योत चाय चेत मे चई चाय मे ख्याव बात आज खेम बह मेव मे हमसायस नाव वानी कह नत कह मतलब इथे पे गई कत करें ना. ठीक ठीक है. प्लश का लक्ष्य.
जी
थैंक यू बेटा. गॉड ब्लेस यू. वंशिका वितस्ता.
नमस्कार.
नमस्कार वितस्ता कोत तूंद कशर मारे
बस just try करान
सरी छु ट्राई करा मगर ट्राई करियो कशर पे का तो तेल बाश में तो छु कशर पे ट्राई करा
वन मारो
चलो इति को ठीक वन मारा तो चलो that's also okay. So starting with anything, any other sentence you have picked up?
Not yet. I'm just introductory sentences.
चलो आपका एक एग्जाम लेते हैं, आप अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करो कश्मीरी में. चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दैट. कश्मीरी में.
Yes. Bachas Vitasta call. Bachas
हाँ.
Pune mas Rozan. At
हम्म.
present, Bachas Kaimans Paran.
हम्म.
Yeah, that's it for now.
That's it. चलो, not a bad beginning. Good, great. मुरकेश जी.
नमस्कार सर.
नमस्कार मुरकेश जी. कश्मीरी कहाँ पहुंची?
बहुत मुश्किल है मेरे लिए तो.
अरे आपके लिए तो सबसे आसान है. यहाँ तो आपसे आपसे जितने लैंग्वेजेस आप जानते हो उनमें से कोई भी नहीं है बैठा है यहाँ पर.
नहीं, एक्चुअली when during the peer group activity I was realizing that it's not easily coming to me.
And it doesn't matter. Actually, Murkesh ji, where are you stationed now?
I am in Delhi.
Delhi. But you know Marathi, isn't it? You told me.
I can understand. Yeah.
You can. So, there are a lot of words जहाँ difficulty बाकी लोगों को होती है बोलने में. Z. They are typical in Maharashtrian language, Marathi language. So I think that way you should be much more comfortable. था आपको.
Yeah. I think it's when the construction of the sentences happen, I get a little overwhelmed.
Yeah, no problem. Actually, tell you frankly, just for everybody, कश्मीरी का जो लैंग्वेज का जो ग्रामर है ना, इट इज नॉट वेरी स्ट्रक्चर्ड. यू नो, जैसे कि हम बोलते हैं ना कि संस्कृत इज द बेस्ट स्ट्रक्चर्ड लैंग्वेज. It is totally reverse of it. It is totally unstructured. So far as my understanding is there is some structure, but it's not that structured. You know, same sentence can be spoken in हम दूसरे तीसरे तरीके से भी बोल सकते हैं. मैं क्या बात है, मैं क्या बात है. So there are different ways of speaking the same thing, you know. So you will pick up. चलो, good. पारुल जी. हाँ मुरकेश जी, आप कुछ बोल रहे थे.
नमस्कार.
नहीं, मैं थैंक यू बोल रहा.
Okay. पारुल जी, बहुत कशर तुम. So we'll start that little lesson. बनियो मत.
नमस्कार मारा.
नमस्कार पारुल. बहुत कशर पच्चू ते कत करां गारी किन्ना. Do you
Sir,
speak
it's
it?
very difficult. Like,
peer group का experience कैसा रहा?
सर अभी होमवर्क नहीं हुआ है. Like, I was little stuck in other works.
Aksh is one thing for everybody, you know, not Parul
Yes.
just because Parul is saying.
Yes.
Let me tell you one thing, you know, I'll tell you something very interesting about my personal some experiences. ये ना बहुत जब मैं engineering कर रहा था, you will not believe, in 5 years I have bunked only one class. In 5 years of engineering, I have only bunked one class. But you know what I used to do? Whatever I did in the during the day, whatever was taught, in the evening by say whatever time. Generally, I was not a very late, study. जो रात को 12 बजे 1 बजे तक पढ़ते हैं वैसा बंदा था नहीं मैं. 9-10 बजे तक सब वापस रिफ्रेश किया, whatever किया. And my notes were useless. Nobody could understand my notes because I used to write only some words, etc. So guide me understand. I used to read books. मगर that helped me so much कि सेम चीज शाम को देखने के बाद मेरे को दोबारा उसको नहीं करना पड़ता था. इन द सेंस कि दैट बिकॉज तो ताज़ा पढ़ता था, ताज़ा याद रहता. इट मे नॉट बी ट्रू ऑफ एवरीबडी, बट इट डेफिनेटली हेल्प्स इफ यू रिफ्रेश द सेम थिंग ना. अगर सेम आज पढ़ा और शाम को रिफ्रेश सेम किया तो यू रिमेंबर उसने क्या बोला था, इसने क्या बोला था, उसने किस तरीके से बोला था, तो कहाँ हमको थोड़ा करेक्शन हुआ, या वीडियो सुना था उसमें थोड़ा डिफरेंट था, तो उससे बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. इफ यू आर रेगुलर ऑन द फर्स्ट 2 days, जैसे आज सैटरडे, आज उसको रिवाइज करो और कल फिर संडे को रिवाइज करो और अपना होमवर्क खत्म करो. यू विल मेक इट वेरी इजी फॉर योरसेल्फ. आई कैन टेल यू दैट. दिस इज जस्ट a guidance, may not help everybody, but This is something that helps generally. Okay, a good try. So all the best, Parul. So finish your homework. Make it today. You know, tomorrow is exam. So by Sunday, I have to complete this whole complete work, and I have to do it. That's it. Okay. Okay, Parul.
जी महाराज.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Ishan.
नमस्कार कुलदीप जी.
Kotmara wo tun kashur.
Bus us karan kashir pait kat meche meche garismans ak nafar such kashir pait kat karan magar bus कोशिश करान every day कि बकर साफ पहन कशर.
Very good, very good. This is a good try. Nice. This is the way to go about it. You are blessed. तुम आपके साथ में कोई है जिसने कोशिश करना. So it's very easy to keep trying. And the one thing is that, as I said earlier in the beginning, first lesson, never feel an inhibition कि मेरे को ये पूरा आता नहीं है, पूरा in Kashmiri नहीं आता. Mix it with some other language, but start practicing. You know?
So I have also done one thing.
Yeah,
तो मैंने अपनी माँ को और अपनी मदर इन लॉ को दोनों को एक टास्क दिया हुआ है, एवरीडे टास्क. तो मैंने उनको
Okay.
बोला है कि वट एवर यू डू, आप
Nice.
एक स्टोरी की तरह 2-3 लाइनें बोलो एंड रिकॉर्ड करो उसको व्हाट्सएप पे, और उसको हिंदी और कश्मीरी. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, आज मैंने सब्जी ली और आज मैंने अल की सब्जी ली. मैंने कहा वही आप कश्मीरी में भी साथ में बोल दिया करो और रिकॉर्ड करके भेज दिया करो, सो दैट आई नो हाउ टू फॉर्म दैट पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस इन कश्मीरी एज वेल.
Very good. Why don't you enrich this knowledge to the whole peer group, to the whole group? Tell them, send them, make them understand. You know what happens is that we learn. Peer learning is the best way of learning. To tell you, it's one of the most effective way of learning. Peer learning is because we are all on the same boat. So we understand each other's difficulty. Share everything. That's actually Kosam is one platform where we try to share whatever we know. It doesn't matter that nothing is private. So, and there is nothing to feel shy about. Sometimes we make mistake in what we say. It doesn't matter. So, but it is okay. I think that was great. Great, Ishan.
Thank you.
Shruti ji, आप बताइए. बहुत कौशल मारा तुम. We are not able to hear you, Shruti ji.
I think there is a problem with her speech.
Now we can hear you. Now we can hear.
Sorry sir, I just joined. I have no clue what are we talking about.
Okay, and the clue is that how is your Kashmiri going on? Okay.
Oh, it's better. It's very
Now I want a couple of sentences from yours, couple of words from you. Doesn't matter, sentences, words, anything you learn.
okay. Namaskar Mara.
Namaskar.
Which now Shruti. Which has a freelancer. मैं खुश एवं birth boson buchas hechan Koshin Korean to Spanish.
Kashmir, Korean to Spanish. Wow. Which सारे languages था तगान?
No, buchas beginner level.
Chalo, very good. Great. Chalo, even see one thing is there. That is why a little bit prompting from anybody, from peer, from some friend, from mother, father, it definitely helps. Chalo, great. Thank you, Shruti. God bless you. So again, just before we start our lesson, Priyaji, since you are today in charge, just take down the attendance because that may be useful later on. You can use the participant list which is on the Zoom at the bottom. Participant list. You are muted. You can just check. Okay. So it doesn't matter. So then we can we can start. Okay. Let's go to lesson number 6.
Sharing my screen.
तो थोड़ा बड़ा कर दीजिए आप, just increase the size of the ऊपर में कहीं होगा इसमें प्लस प्लस साइन, या नीचे में कहीं, तो आपका स्क्रीन में वैसा दिखता नहीं है।
एक्चुअली सर ये ना अपडेट हुआ है, पता नहीं क्या हुआ है इसके साथ में।
अच्छा अच्छा, डजंट मैटर, कोई बात नहीं। एक मिनट होल्ड कीजिए, आई डोंट नो वेदर आई एम
Yeah, I think this is better.
okay, yeah, this is better, great, okay, go up, let's start। आज सीमा जी से प्रार्थना सुनते हैं हम। You are muted, सीमा जी।
ओम नमामि त्वं शारदा देवीं महाभगवतीं भगवतीं कश्मीरपुरवासिनी विद्यादायिनी रक्ष मां नमामि त्वाम्।
Thank you। Let's go to the lalwak, प्रिया जी। Who will volunteer to read this? प्रिया जी, अगर कोई नहीं बोलेगा तो प्रिया जी बोलेंगे। Anybody wants volunteer?
Sir,
हाँ,
which
sure
is Lalwag Paran.
हाँ, पढ़ियो पारुल जी, please go ahead।
Amipan Sudras Navichas Laman Tatibozi Demyon Meti Ditar Amyantakin Poinzan Shaman Suchuv Brahman Gar Gats Ha.
Very good। Actually, poin and poin are two different things। Poin is water, and poin is a pious something we do, some good deed। Okay, so since in Kashmiri these two words mean differently, so it is poin। Okay, and there is, okay, thank you, God bless you। Let's go to the next, Priya ji। Okay, Priya ji, now start from whatever alphabetically, whatever sequence you want to do। Whoever is present, let's not call everybody। जो present
अजीत
है,
जी,
हाँ चलो ठीक।
अजीत जी,
Yes, please.
Please read the
Ma'am,
first
yeah.
sentence।
Yes. So in English, it is not difficult to read Kashmiri. Yes, one must have urge. Now in Kashmiri, it is Kashar Parun uh, uh, Chun Mushkil Daf Kal Gache Asanne.
So this is again the very good effort, Ajit ji। Kashur Parun Chun, because there is an Ardhachandra drop. You said only Chun, so it is Chun, okay? Because there is an Ardhachandra drop. Mushkil is very good। Daf Kal Gache Asin, Gache Asin। Can you repeat after me? Kashur Parun. We are not able to hear you। Kashur Parun,
Kashur
Parun,
Parun
Chun
Parun
Mushkil,
Chun Mushkil
Daf Kal Gache
Daf Kal Gache
Asin।
Ase.
Very good। Let's go to the next sentence, Priya ji।
सीमा
Next.
जी, सीमा जी,
Kashir chi sane maji zav katsa mit tamodur।
So this is a translation of Kashmiri is our mother tongue। How sweet। So again, I'll speak, and Seema ji, you repeat after me। Kashur Che
Kashir chi
Che Sain Majizel
san maji zav
Kuta Meet to Mudur।
kuta mit tamodur।
Kuta, you see double
Yeah.
Ardhachandra। Kuta, I want you to
Kuta.
emphasize on that। Kuta, yeah। Kutsa.
Kutsa, meet the mother.
Very good. Very good. Fantastic. Now let's go up, Priyaji. Now
Sir,
we, boli. Who is
sir,
speaking? Please?
just a description of the words like is, are. I mean, manji is are. So, if in case you can just give a breakdown of English versus Kashmiri on this.
Okay, let's go up. Let's go. Which one? Which sentence you want me to? Both of them, is it?
Second one. Second one.
Second one. Okay. Kashur ch sain majzev. Kashmiri Kashur is ch. Sain means our. Majzev means mother tongue. Okay. Kutsa means how much. Meet the mother is basically repeating sweetness twice. Meet the mother. It is like that. Maji means mother tongue, related to merge. It is merge is mother, related to merge is Maji Hund. Okay. Does it make sense to you? Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Let's go further. Now, Priyaji, we have about 10 or 11 people today. So there we have 5 to the 20. Let's have two words and meanings. Let's start with the next candidate.
Vani.
First two words and what their meaning is.
Un is zone.
Very good.
Three is can't remember.
We can't hear. Can't hear you a little. Again, आज breakfast नहीं किया है. Again, आज breakfast नहीं किया. थोड़ा नजदीक से.
I said tree. I don't remember.
अच्छा, okay, no problem. Tree is cool. Tree is cool. Moon is zone, and we also read crescent. Tatkashvanan.
Sandar.
Sandar. Very good. Very good. Let's go to the next student.
Vanshika.
Can you give me a minute? There's too much disturbance. Can you just give me just 1 second, please?
Oh. If you have difficulty, till that time we can have somebody else.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, Vanshika. Go ahead.
Sorry about that. तो flower को posh
हाँ.
posh flower leaf नहीं पता.
Anybody in the group who knows leaf? Please unmute and say.
Vatar.
Vathar. Flower is posh. Leaf is vathar. Okay. Let's go to the next.
So posh puja same only, no? Like flower.
Pardon?
Posh puja, that is same
फ्लावर
only, no?
जो राइट वो फूलों से पूजा होती है ना, तो इसलिए ताच्छवना नहीं पोष पूजा. ठीक है. That function in marriage is called posh puja. It is done with in flowers. That's it. चल posh puja. Next.
Yes.
Laksha.
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah, bolo beta. Water and fruit. What does it mean?
Water is pond and fruit is mev.
Never. Very good. Never. And water is point. Absolutely perfect. It is also called ab. in some Aab is also popular in Kashmir. Aab. Okay, very good. Next.
Thank you.
Great, beta.
Vitasta. Vitasta.
Yes. Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, beta.
Okay. So, milk is dod and bread is sod.
Pardon?
Sod.
Sot. Very good. Milk is dod, bread is sot. Okay, next.
Parul. Parul.
Yes. Hello?
Clothes
Am I
and
audible?
shoes. Yes, yes, you are audible. Clothes and shoes.
Sir, shoes means boot.
No,
Boot.
not
Boot. Not boot.
not
Boot.
boot, not boot.
Okay.
And clothes. Clothes
Sir,
kya?
no idea, sir.
Acha, no problem. Anybody in the group who wants to speak these words? Anybody?
Clothes is palav and shoes are korban.
Very good, very good. Clothes are palav, shoes are korban. Kor means foot, and bana means actually something which is a utensil type container. So shoes are referred to as korban. Okay, that is how it. Okay, next.
Murukeshji.
Yes. I would
Roof and
say
mountain.
roof. Roof is push. Hello.
Yes, yes, please go ahead.
Roof is push and mountain is pahad or sangur.
Very good, very good. Pahad or sangur. Perfect. Roof is pash and mountain is pahad, yeah, sangur. Very good. Next.
Ishan.
Okay. What I
River.
have river.
River and snow.
River is daryav.
Hmm.
Snow is sheen.
Very good. Darya. Darya and snow
Darya.
is darya. The के ऊपर में अर्धचंद्र और D A के ऊपर circle. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sheen is snow. Very good. Next.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, yes, please.
So if river is Darya, what is sea?
Sea is उसमें समंदर ही बोलते हैं हम लोग समंदर.
अच्छा. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Next, please.
Next is me only. Compound is Angun and bridge is Kadl.
कदल नहीं कदल
Kadl.
कदल द के नीचे अर्धचंद्र है ल के नीचे नहीं कदल.
Kadl.
Okay.
Okay.
Very good. Very good. Next.
Shruti.
Path and home. Yes, Shruti ji.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So path is what?
Hmm.
Home is gar.
Gar. Gar.
Gar.
Very good. Very good. Fantastic.
Sir,
Next.
path,
Yes, please.
can we call it was?
Na beta. Wuz is what should I passage. Wuz is passage, not path. Okay.
Right. Yes, yes.
That is
Yes.
passage. That is passage.
Okay.
Great. No problem. Next.
Ajitji. Next is Ajitji.
Ajit ji, please unmute yourself.
Okay.
Ajit ji, you are able to hear us? I
Okay,
think he is
next
not
is
able.
Seema ji.
Day go do, रात go शाम.
Night. Night के रात.
हाँ जी. Day days दो.
दो the रात. Very good. Ajit ji, I think you should speak the next evening and morning.
No sir, evening. हल्का सा हिंट दे देंगे सर, थोड़ा सा याद नहीं आ रहा.
कोई बात नहीं. Evening is शाम.
Sham. Morning. No sir, I'm not able to recollect.
सुबह 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 ही बना. जैसे
Subah.
जैसे उर्दू में सुबह बोलते हैं वैसे ही इसमें भी.
Subah. Subah.
सुबह सुबह. Evening is शाम.
Yes sir.
You can remember it like this. Evening शाम रंग बोलते हैं ना, शाम रंग, तो उस तरीके से बोल सकते हैं evening. Okay. Okay.
Sham.
Next is neighbor. Anybody? Who is the next person?
Vani.
Neighbor is Hamsai.
Hamsaye. Very good. Very good, Vani. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, now we go today. We learn some more vocabulary today. Basically, जैसे last time उमेश जी ने raise किया था point that actually do or to do, what we can also say, I mean, for proper understanding, do actually is kar, to do is karun. Okay, this should mean to do. Do means if I tell you do this work, gats ye kam kar. Okay, kar. But if it is karun, to do, then it is karun is to do. Okay, work is kam karin. To work is kam karin. To sit is bihun. Yeah, bihun. Both ways it's okay. Stand is thod wathun. Thod wathun. Thod wathun. Remember how it is written. Again, I will repeat. To do is karun. To work is kam karin. Sit is bihun. To sit is bihun or bihun. To stand is thod wathun. Thod wathun. Thod wathun. Okay. Now, I think I will read this and I want all of you to unmute yourself and repeat after me so that we do a practice also, all of us together. To do karun.
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 To work kum karin.
Kam Karim.
Karin. Karin.
Karin.
Karin.
Karin.
Very good. Karin. To sit bihun
Bihun.
or bihun.
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 To stand is thod wathun.
Od Kathun.
Basically, it is in literally, if you want in the word to word translation, thod wathun means to stand up. Thod means up. Wathun means to stand. So, but generally it is used together. Thod wathun. Okay. So let's go to the next one. Go. Gatsun. To go is actually gatsun. Go is gats. Go. If I tell Vani, go to school. Guts, school guts. So cool guts. Okay. Vani school guts. But Vani chu school gatsun. Vani chu school gatsun. She has to go to school. Okay. So that's the difference between gatsun and guts. Okay. For your understanding. Come. Ye. To come is yun. He has to come. Sui. Tamishu yun. Tamishu yun. Second way. Come. So simply ye. Or come here. Ye. Your. Ye. Here. Come here. Ye your. You are come here in the front. So this is one is these are these are requests. This is a separate thing. I'm just trying to make it little more clear. One to go is gatsun. To come is yun. To sleep is shangun. To eat is kyun. To drink is chon. To chew is sapun. Okay, I will again do the practice. I will speak and you will repeat after me. To go is gatsun.
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 Gatsun. To come is
Gatsun.
yun. Yun.
Yun.
Yun.
Vanishka, Ishan, please unmute yourself. Yun. To
Yun.
come is yun.
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 Very good. To sleep is shangun.
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 To eat is kyun.
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 To drink is chun.
Kyun.
Kyun.
Chun.
Kyun.
To chew is sapun.
Sapun.
Tapun.
Very good. Let's go to the next. Riyaji. To walk is pakun. Pakun.
Pakun.
Pakun.
To run is dorun.
Torun.
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 To jump is what
What
tulin.
tulun?
What?
What tulin?
Tulin.
To cook is ranun.
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 To clean is saaf karun.
Saaf karun.
Saaf karun.
Karun.
Sweep is duvun.
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 For those who are not जो खाली ईशान है I think जो रोमन में पढ़ता है तो now remember here what O with a cap and T with a dot what and tulin again N with the I superscript tulin
Tulin.
and duvun D with a dot at the bottom duvun okay. Okay, let's go to the next. To enter is atsun.
Atsun.
Atsun. Atsun.
To leave is nerun.
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 To fly is wudun.
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 To close is band karun.
Band karun.
Karun.
Band karun.
Open is kholun ya mutsravun.
Ravan.
Kolun.
Mutsravun.
Mutsravun.
Mutsravun, not mu. Because there is a ardhachandra. It's not u.
Ardhachandra.
It is or you with a cap. So it is mutsravun. Mutsravun.
Mutsravun.
Okay. Again, I will repeat for everybody. Enter is atsun. Leave is nerun. To fly is wudun.
Wudun.
To close is band karun.
Band
Karun.
Open is kholun. Yeah,
Kolun.
mutsravun. Generally, when we open the door, we use mutsrav. When we want to open the bag or something, we use kholun. Okay. Generally, but it is interchangeable. तो सभी के लिए थोड़ा ध्यान रखना है.
So, Masterji, if you say please open the door, how would you use the word?
bar musravyu. So when it's in sentence, this one becomes musravyu. That is with respect to somebody. Please open the door for me. Who is somebody elderly? Say, Mahara bar musravyu. Mahara bar musravyu. Yeah, bar musravyu Mahara. Both are.
Okay.
If you want to knock at somebody's door and then you say, ke, bar means door. Bar musravyu Mahara. Mutsravyu. Mutsravyu. V, not wun. Rest everything same. Mutsravyu. Okay? Okay, Murkeji?
Ji, thank you.
Okay. To read is parun. To
Parun.
read is karun.
Arun.
To write is lekhun.
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 Please repeat after me, all of you. To drive is chalavun.
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 Laksha. To bring is anun.
Unknown.
Anun.
To wash is chalun.
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 To distribute is burgraun. It should be te. This is some, I think it has got cut. So to distribute is burgraun.
Gramun.
So once again, read. To read is parun.
Parun.
To write is lekhun.
Lekhun.
To drive is chalawun.
Chalawun.
To bring is anun.
Anun.
To wash is chalun.
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 To distribute is burgraun.
Gramun.
Bagravun.
Okay. Next to the next set. Yeah, no problem. Go on. Now, next set is to print is chapun.
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 To swim is thant vayin.
Chant
Chant.
Vayin.
Vayin. To bathe is shran karun.
Shran Karun.
Karun.
To ride is savair karin.
Vair
Karin.
Karin.
So remember this how it is written. If it is chapun, CHH is cha. देवनागरी में तो बिल्कुल easy है. And chapun. Swim is thant vayin. TSH is th. And T dot is th. T dot and H is th. Thant vayin. Yin N के बाद I superscript means vayin. Shran karun is very simple. Savair karin. Again, R with a superscript and N with a superscript on karin. So, savair karin. For Devanagari, savair karin.
Sir, swim once again, please.
Okay, no
Thant
problem.
vayin.
Which? Thant vayin. Thant vayin. Thant. Can you repeat after me? Thant. Thant vayin. Vayin.
Thant.
Thant vayin. Okay. Thant itself is swim. Thant vayin means actually to swim. Okay. To swim. Cut. Is it okay, everybody? Or you want me to repeat anything in this? It's okay? Okay, let's
आप
proceed.
एक बार सॉरी आप एक बार वो swim का repeat कर सकते हैं please?
Sure. I will repeat all the words again. To print is chapun. To swim is thant vayin. Thant vayin. To
Sir,
bathe. बोले.
Sir, in Gatsun, to go, we same. I mean, जो यहाँ लिखा है पहले TSH वो भी वही था और
Same.
तो वहाँ भी pronounced as Gatsun.
Gatsun, that's right. Gatsun.
यहाँ पर बोल रहे हैं ठाट.
Th is TH. TH is th. Thant.
Again TSH again.
Then there's no TSH. Ch के नीचे जो dot है, th, it is equivalent to TSH. If it is ch with the dot, it is only TS. For your understanding.
Yes, sir. But sir, हम लोगों ने अभी जो गत्सुन पढ़ा था तब भी TSH था, छा के नीचे बिंदी थी, तब हम गत्सुन बोल रहे हैं और अभी हम
थ है ना, थ ही बोलते हैं, थ ही बोल रहे हैं, उधर भी गत्सुन, थ, थाट, गत्सुन, थ, again th.
I got it, sir. Now
both same.
Third.
Okay.
Third. Got it, sir. Third.
Okay. Shran karun, to bathe. To ride, savair karin. Okay. Let's proceed. Cut. Satun katravun. Now here katrav. Generally, katravan is used with vegetables. When we cut vegetables, we use katravan. We don't vegetable satan. Vegetables, sabzi, katravan, katravun with the vegetable. Satun go to tear. If you want to tear, say cut cloth, or you want to tear cut paper or something, so that satun is used there. Cut satun ya katravun. Now Ajitji here, you see it is satun. Here it is only ts. It is not tsh. So it is satun.
Got it, sir.
Katravun. Okay. Peel. Dal tulun. Del basically is the outer covering of a, say, apple is there. There's the outer sheath of the apple. That is del. Del tulun means to peel off the skin. So that is del tulun is peel off, to peel off. To hold is ratun. To hold is ratun or thapkarin. Now ratun is and thapkarin, how they are different? If I tell you, I will give you a glass of water, आपको बोलूँगा ये इसको पकड़ो, तो उसको बोलेंगे hold the glass. That means the glass rat. Ratun is the noun. Rat means is a verb. Ratun. Thapkarin. Thapkarin, if you want to hold somebody's hand, it is also to hold, but that is thapkarin. If you are holding a baby, so, or you, by the hand, or you are walking a baby along with you, so, or you are holding somebody who is elderly with you, or younger to you, or equivalent to you, you hold him or her by the arm, go thapkarin. Thapkarin. So hold and ratun and thapkarin I have explained. Is it okay? Everybody's clear about it? I will read it again. To cut is satun or katrav. Please repeat after me, all of you. Satun.
Tatun katravun.
Katravun with vegetables. With sabzi को काटते हैं तो उसको हम बोलते हैं katravun, but rest everything is satun. To peel is dal tulun. Dal tulun. Very good. To hold is ratun. Ya thapkarin. Now, if you will learn because we are jumping the gun sometimes for understanding. I'm using because there are sentences which will help you later on. But thapkarin, just okay. Let me complete this thapkarin. So thapkar. Valab karaycha thap. Let me hold your hand while crossing the road. Valab karaycha thap. Taro apor, sadke apor. Okay. So this is how we. Now, जो भी आपके मन में वो क्वेश्चन थे, यूज कैसे करना है इनको, दैट इज गिवन बिलो. लेट्स कम डाउन. प्रिया जी प्लीज गो. या सी कम हियर. यू हियर. यू ये कम ये. Yun was the to come. Yun. Come here is you ye. Come is ye. Walayud. This is also okay. Come here is also walayud. Wala means by hand. If I have to show you, wala means showing, giving an indication to come towards me. Walayud means to come towards me. So that is also used. Yurye, that we can say come here. That does not mean the same thing as walayud, but walayud is more important in the sense when you want to जब हम gesture करते हैं किसी को अपने ओर बुलाने के लिए, walayud. Okay. So that is it is walayud. Go there. Tor guts. To go. Go there. There means tor. Go there. Tor guts. Sit down. Bihun. ऐसे हमने सीखा था word bihun. Be. Pathar be. Down means pathar. Sit means be. Sit down. Pathar be. Pathar be. Stand up. Thod what? Thod what? We to stand up we learned thod watun. So this is same. This is the use how we use it in sentence. Stand up. Thod what? What? Eat food. Batke. Batke. Hyun was the word which we use to eat. Eat food. Food is butter. Eat food. Batke. Drink water. Tresche. Now one thing very important here is water हम बोलते हैं generally water को हम point बोलते हैं generally water. Any type of water which is flowing anywhere. But when it is purposely given for drinking you as for drinking, then we call it stresh. Stresh. When we offer somebody glass of water for drinking to quench his thirst, that time it is called tresh. Drink water, tresche. Drink means chun. We to drink we use chun. So tresche. Tresche. Open the book. Kitab Musrav. Here also we have used Kitab Musrav. This is also okay. Yeah, Kitab Khol. Mutsra. Open the book. Kitab Mutsra. Mutsra. Again, not Mutsra. Mutsra. Okay. Let me go again. Go up. How many sentences are there further? Can you see next page? Mein what is there? Let us go through this and then we'll again read it again. Okay. Okay. Let me go through this first. Read the book. Kitab par. Parun was to read. Kitab is kitab. Parun. Kitab par. Go sleep. Sleep. To sleep was shangun. Go sleep. Guts. Guts shong. Shong. Guts shong. Go up. Hyur khas. Up is hyur. Go is khas. Hyur khas. Come down. Down is born. And come is was. Born was. Hyur khas. Born was. Open the window. Dhar mutsrav. Dhar mutsrav. Close the door. Bar kar band. Bar kar band. Bar is door. To close is kar band. Band means to the process itself is to kar. It's the activity. So kar. Go and close the door. Bar kar band. Switch on the light. Bijli zal. Zal. It is like jalana जैसे हम बोलते हैं. Zal. Switch off the fan. Pankh kar band. Pankh kar band. Lay the carpet. Kalin wahra. वहरा एक्चुअली ये थोड़ा सा रोमन में गलत है. उसमें ए में भी ऊपर होना चाहिए. वाहरा. ऊपर में डैश स्लैंटिंग लाइन होना चाहिए. लाइक जैसे वाहरा. ओके. इट इज वाहरा. या करेक्ट. Lay the carpet is Kalin Wahra. Give me water. Medya point. Now, if it is for anything else, you want to wash your hands, etc. If you are asking for water, then it is Medya point. But if you are asking for drinking, you will say Medya tresh. That means I want water for drinking. I ate food. मैं खाओ बात. I ate food. मैं खाओ बात. Sit on the chair. Kursi pat be. Sit is be. To sit is bihun. Bihun we read. Sit be. Kursi is chair. On is pat. On is pat. Kursi pat be. Give me a rupee. Medye akh rupai. रुपी को हम कश्मीरी में रुपए बोलते हैं. Akh means one. A. Give me medi. Me means me. Give means di. Give me a rupee. Medi akh rupai. Go to market. Bazar, 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 not bazar. Bazar, guts. Gatsun. To go, we read earlier, Gatsun. So either here it is bazar, guts. Go to bazar, go to market. Listen to me. Mine kat boz. Now, literally meaning mine means mine. Boz means listen. Kat means basically story. If you want to literal meaning, but we don't say like that. Listen to means mine kat boz. Kat generally means story, but here when this is the way we pronounce. We say, listen to me. Mine kat boz. Run fast. Tez door. Fast means tez. Run means to run means dorun. Run means door. Tez door. Tez door. Come back. वापस ये या वापस फेर. वापस ये means come. वापस फेर means turn around. Fair means turning around. Come back literally. Actually, fair means just turn around. Vapas fair means turn around. Come back means vapas ye. So both are used. Wear new clothes. Naive. Naive. New. New means naive. Palav means clothes. Wear means lag. Naive, palav, lag. या हम कश्मीरी में सुनून भी बोलते हैं. सन पलाव, पलाव सन. नई पलाव सन या नई पलाव lag. These are both correct. नई पलाव lag या नई पलाव सन. Sun. Go down. Priya ji. Now another set of sentences, which is if you go up a little bit.
I have a question about the previous set of things.
Sure. Please. Go up, Priya ji. बोलिए.
My question is that these phrases and words that have been used as examples, are these more colloquial than actual?
No, they are generally used, not colloquial. Everybody uses the same way. I ate
Okay,
food. मैं क्या बात है? It is not something. This is the way it is spoken. और कोई तरीका नहीं कश्मीरी में.
Dorun is door. So is it used
to see? That's what I'm saying. Dorun is generally to run. Now it is the process of running. That is door.
Right.
The activity of running is door.
Okay.
To run is dorun. That is applicable to everything. Similarly, जैसे listen है. Bozun is to listen. When the act of listening is boz.
Okay.
Bihun, same thing. Sit is bihun. To sit is bihun, but the act of sitting is be. Okay.
Yes.
Am I making
Yes.
some sense?
Yes. Got it. Thank you.
Let's go down. Anybody else apart from Murkeshi? If anybody else has anything to say, please stop me. Okay, let's go further. Now we have another set of sentences which are just sort of when we do it in conversation. So क्या जे छुक ठा ठा करित आसान. So क्या जे छुक ठा ठा करित आसान. You know what it means? So क्या जे why क्या जे why. So means you. Chuk means you are doing. tha karit means you are loudly laughing. Asan means to laugh. Asun means to laugh. Asan means that process of laughing. Say tha karit means zor se. Tha karit. So kya chuk tha karit asan. Can you repeat after me? All of you? So kya chuk
chuk tha tha karit asan.
तो क्या चुप था करित आसान.
Yazichu Tata Karit Asan.
Yes,
क्या
Vitasta.
Sikaizichuk Tata Karit Hasan.
Shruti
तो
ji.
Karit Asan.
So kya chuk tha. Now this is here chuk means as we earlier learned, chuk is always with male. If it was female, so kya chak. So kya chak tata karit asan. If it was a female, this is generally used for male. If it is for female, so kya chak. So kya chak chuk chak. Chak tata karit asan. Okay, let's go to the next one. Dapan
Master, can you
ratnas.
please give the exact translation of that sentence?
Yeah, please go up. I did, but I'll repeat again. So means you. So means you. Kyaj means why. Chuk means chuk. Thatagar means why, in the process. Why are you doing this? Doing. Chuk. Thata karit asan. This chuk thata karit asan. Why are you doing this? This activity. Why are you laughing very loud? Okay? Okay, Murkeji?
Yes, thank you.
Dapan ratnas gache bana asun. Dapan ratnas gache bana asun. Literally meaning, tapan means it is said. Ratnas means to hold something. Gachi should to hold something. Bana literal meaning. Bana means vessel. Asun gachi that we should have it. We should have that. Dapan ratnas gachi bana asun. Literal meaning is for holding something, we must have a vessel. If I want to put some liquid or something, I must have some utensil with me. But you know what it means basically? Where it is used? Basically, Vanan ke, when we try to, it is little more, say, what should I say? It is more philosophical meaning. That means, in the sense ke, though when you teach somebody, something, or you advise something to somebody, so we say, see, sometimes people don't pay heed to it. So that time we use this. You are being told to do something, but he doesn't have that capacity to understand what is being told. That is what it means. Dapan ratnas gache bana asun. That means he doesn't have that capacity to hold something. I'm offering him some knowledge, or I'm offering him some advice. He doesn't have the capacity to understand it. So that is the philosophical meaning. But literal meaning is, as I said. Next, anybody on this? Anything? Is it okay, or shall I proceed? Okay, let me go to the next one. At manz chun ka shak zi suchuk setha tez. At manz chun. There is no ka shak. There is no doubt. At manz chun ka. No. Shak means doubt. Shak means doubt. Chun means there is no doubt. Zi suchuk setha tez. You are very fast, means in the sense it's a different meaning again. Tez means you are too clever. That way it is used in that sense. But literal meaning tez means fast. At manz chun ka shak zi tuchuk. Agar if it was lady, tuchak setha tez. Okay. Can we repeat after me, everybody? Atmans,
Atmans,
Atman,
Chun,
Chun,
Chuna,
Chun,
Chuna,
Kashak,
Kashak,
Shak,
Kashak,
Zitsuchuk,
Zi-
Tuchuk,
Zi,
Zit,
Chuchuk,
Zituchuk,
Chathates.
Setha Tez,
Tatya, Tez,
Sathates,
Setha means very, very. Setha means very. Tez means fast. But literal, this is the literal meaning. But as I said, this is said when somebody is too clever. Too clever. There is no doubt that you are too clever. Or so that is what it means for both of them. Next is Yaman. Yeah,
What
yeah,
is
Shruti ji.
Z? What
Pardon?
does it imply? Z.
Z. Z means
you,
shak.
He,
Not. Z is not you. Z is you. At
Ke,
See, it is more like what should it comes in the construct of a sentence. जी जी मतलब how should I explain to you? Just let me understand. Atman shun shak zi zi means
That
that. Yeah, I think more appropriate is that zi that. We use it very frequently in Kashmiri. This word, so keep it in mind. So that. Okay, it is more like that. Perfect. Anybody else? Okay, let's go to the next. Yiman gariban chun zind roznu khak. Chuna, sorry. Yiman gariban. Yiman gariban chuna zind roznu khak. That means Yiman means these, gariban means poor people. Chuna do not have zinda for to live, roznuk. Zinda roznuk means to live. Hak means what should I say?
right,
Right. Yiman gariban shuna zind roznuk hak. These poor people do not have a right to live. It's a question mark. So let us read it again, and I want all of you to repeat after me. Yiman gariban
Yaman Gariban,
Yemen, Gariban,
shuna zind roznuk hak.
Chuna Zind
Chuna,
Roznuk Hak,
Chuna, Zind, Roznuk,
Very good. So next is Pananis Merlis Maj Hund Gache Khadmat Karain. Panis, your own. Merlis Maj, mole means father. Merlis means
Father,
related to father. Maj Hund, Maj means merge. Maj means related to merge. Hans Gache Khadmat Karain. We must all say serve our parents. Khadmat karin means to serve. That means to listen to them, to sort of respect them and help them. Okay, khadmat karin means to help them. Pananis merges maje hans gache khadmat karin. Karin means to karun means to do. Karin gache. It's a word of, it is how it is written in the activity. Again, let us read it all together. Pananis
Anis,
Panis,
Panis,
Merlis,
merlis
Merlis,
Maje,
maje
Maje,
Hans.
Hans,
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 Gache.
Gatse,
Gatsi,
Gatse,
Gache.
Gatsi,
Gatse,
Gatsi,
Khadmat karein. Khadmat.
Khadmat Kare,
Khadmat,
Kare,
Kare,
Now all this you remember. Remember how it is written. Merge, merlis.
Merge,
Hans. With the ardhachandra at bottom and na on top. Hans.
Hans,
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 Khadmat. Ach. Khadmat.
Khadmat,
Karein. Again, karein. Karein. Okay. So this is very important to understand how we write this. Again, next sentence. Basanchum zi sechui n yorkun yoruk vyapan. Yoruk vyapan. Basanchum zi sechui n yoruk vyapan. Okay. Literal meaning. It looks like Basanchum. It looks to me. Chum means to me. Basan. It looks to me that Techuina, you do not yoruk vyapan. Techuina, you are not able to whatever I am saying, you are not able to appreciate it. You are not able to appreciate, you do not pay heed to it. It is generally used for children जो ज़्यादा माँ बाप का नहीं मानते हैं पता नहीं कौन हंस रहा है शायद उसके माँ बाप कुछ बोल रहे हो ऐसे Basanjum Sechune Yoruk Vyapon. Yoruk Sechune Yoruk Vyapan. So this is more like, you know, when you want to sort of chiding करते हैं ना बच्चों को बोलते हैं कि तुझको योरक बोल रहे हैं, so it's something like that. Okay, next. Varya Kal Gom Se Praran. Varya Kal
Maria,
Gom
Gom,
Se
Se
Praran.
praran.
Varya means lot of. Kal means time. Varya time. Gom means have been. Wait, Varya Kal Gom. I have been waiting for you for a lot of time. Se means you. Praran. I was waiting for you. Prarun means to wait for somebody. Wait for somebody. Prarun and verb is praran. Varya Kal. Please repeat after me. Varya Kal
Varia Kal,
Varya kal
Kal,
gom se
Se
praran.
praran.
Se Praran,
Gom Se Praran.
Varia Kal, Gom Se
Next
Praran.
is Val az karav prain pert katha batha. Val.
Wal,
Val
Well,
See, एक मिनट ये जो वॉल रोमन में गलत है. It should be with a cap. हाँ. So please प्रिया जी इसको थोड़ा highlight कर देना. ये wall should be actually it should be
O with a cap.
O with a cap. Wal az karav prain. Again, I should be superscript in both of them. This prain pert both should be
kat baat.
yeah. Katha batha.
Katha batha.
Katha batha. So wal means come. Az karav. Today we will have prain pert, like an old. Prain means old.
Old times.
पुराने तरीके से. Pert means पुराने के तरीके से, like old days. कथा बाता. Let us chit chat. Chit chat means कथा बाता का. पारुल जी आप कुछ बोल रहे हैं? Wal az
so
karav.
Katha means story.
हाँ, कथा बाता means story, but literally, but actually it means to chit chat. हम कथ करने को, like I said earlier also, कथ per se, per word itself means a story, but when we talk to each other also, that also we say kath. So katha batha means chit chat. Okay.
Yes.
When you meet after a long time, so then your friend, somebody, you meet somebody after say 4 or 5 years or 1 year after you have not had met him. So we say val az karo prain pat. No, let us remember the old times. That is literal. That is the meaning of in English. So val az karo prain pat katha batha. Repeat after me.
Wal
Val az
As Karav
karav prain pait
Pranyat
katha batha.
Path Katha Batha.
Very good. Very good. Next is pert means like, huh? Like we used to do in the last earlier. Pert means like. Dapan razagav ye buzit tata khosh. Dapan, it is said, Raz means king, Gav seta. He was. Gav means he was happy. Ye buzit seta khosh. After ye means this. Buzit means listening. Seta means very. Khosh means khosh. Happy. Dapan raz gav. Ye buzit seta khosh.
Tapan Razgav ye
Pan
buzit
Tar
setha khosh.
Buzit Sata Khosh.
I think today we'll stop here. Priyaji, I think
Masterji, can you translate the entire?
we have had you just put a mark there where we have stopped, or there are only two more. Okay, hold on. Let's finish this. I thought there is something more. Let us finish these two sentences also. Okay, no problem.
Masterji, can you
Vatan
please repeat the entire sentence translation? Dapan Ras.
Dapan Raz. It is said, Raz Gav Yubuzit, the king was very happy listening to this. Yubuzit. After listening this, he was very happy. Dapan, it is said that the king was very happy listening to this. Very happy listening to this. Means whatever story was being told, whatever was being story or whatever was being narrated. Okay. So since there are only two sentences, we'll finish it. Then we'll sort of talk a little bit because today it is little. I can understand it was too much of overdose of sentences today. Vatan. Word. Here also this should be I as per script. So this to be corrected. Vatan vöt tim akis nagas pet the iti jutuk thak. Vatan means they were just coming to some place. They were just walking. Vatan vöt means finally they reached a destination. Vöt means reached. Tim akis they. Tim means they. Akis means one. A place. Nagas. Nag means what should I say? A spring. Nag means spring. Spring means water body spring, not anything else. Water body. Nagas pet at the location. Pet means location. Up जैसे ऊपर बोलते हैं ना वैसे ही नाग के ऊपर त and अति जुतुक थक. Then थक dun means to stop, to take rest. Thak dun means to take rest. Jutuk means they stayed there. Iti jutuk thak. Now this vatan vaityam akis nagas pet the iti jutuk thak. That means while going, they finally reached a location which was a spring where they took rest. Okay, and the second is Khojas Kor Mohinivis Khojan Kor Mohinivis Alav to Suras Karnavan Lar. Khoj means somebody, जैसे लैंडलॉर्ड रहते थे ना लैंडलॉर्ड उनको खोज बोलते थे मतलब दोज पीपल हु आर wealthy people in the villages means when khoj khojan kor mohnius that means his servant mohniu means servant kor means he called him alav means to give a call to बुलाने के लिए khojan kor mohnius alav to suras karnavan lar to means and suras means thief. Karnavan, he made made him run away. Lar means he went after him so that the thief ran away. Lar means to run after somebody means lar kare means to go after him. Little difficult, but to understand because you have not heard this word earlier. But Khojan kor mohinius alav to suras karnavan lar. More important thing. See how I am reading this and whichever language, whichever script you are using, please understand this. Khwajan, O with a cap, Kor, अर्ध सर्प आकार वाला मोहन्यु not मोहन्यु मोहन्यु is आलव fall the suras karnavan la. Okay, so let's go down.
Masterji, literal translation of this.
Khaji means, as I said, is a landlord. He called the Mohini. Mohini means he called the servant. he called, Alaudin means to call him. The and Surus Karnavan. He made, Surus means related to thief. Sur means Surus. Sur means thief. Surus means related to Sur. Karnavan lar. So means, Karnavan means the process of lar. Lar means ran after him, so that he could drive away that thief with the servant. He told him he would run away after him. So finally, when he saw this this servant coming, so he ran away. So he also went after him, so that he should go away. He should not do any thievery there. Khojan kor mohnivis ala tutsuras karnavan la. This is the meaning. Assignments, etc. I think you know how to put. There is just let me read. There is an assignment today, or there is no assignment. Recording shall be posted on YouTube. Class recordings shall be written. Assignment is go down. So you can start listening to these short stories. Okay. Now again, today let Ajit ji read this last this poem, and then we'll get back to it. Then we'll stop this share screen, and then we'll talk. Ajit ji, can you see this? I think he's not there. Vanshika.
I'll start reading.
Please read.
Reingai Malin, Urit Shirit, Nyanis Bertis, Bailaj Har, Puta Berber, Ko Ak Kharak, Val Bhai Panas, Khavat Ver.
Fantastic, fantastic, very good, very good. एकदम perfect बोला. थोड़ा सा 19 भी बैर. It is बैर, but fantastic. Very good, very good recitation. Thank you.
Thank you.
प्रिया जी इसको close कर दीजिए, then we'll talk to everybody.
सर
हाँ बोलिए.
सर वो अभी आपने बताया और को तो बोलते हैं
हाँ जी.
और लाइक एक सेंटेंस था स्लाइड में ना
त
तो सर ता नहीं बोल सकते क्या लाइक
नहीं उसको त ही बोलते हैं.
तो और सर एक गव वर्ड भी था तो गव मीन्स वॉज.
गाँव means was, correct. गाँव
सर
means
तो
was.
एक ओस also is synonym only.
Pardon?
Os.
No, see, os is also another synonym, but their usage is slightly different. Os, he was. So its application थोड़ा different है. As I said, it is not very structured grammar in Kashmiri. So you have to really listen, learn some words. जैसे मैंने बोला, water में पोइन, ab, or tresh. Now it is the usage. Actually, in Kashmiri there are a lot of such words. Just for all ladies generally, I'm just picking up some word because I have to say. जैसे हम बोलते हैं बाल, जैसे बाल जब खंगा करते हैं हम लोग, तो हमारे कुछ बाल निकलते हैं ना. निकलते हैं, जो निकलते हैं बाल हैं उसको कीह बोलते हैं. But when you have entangled hair, you have got long hair and you are brushing your you are combing your hair, and sometimes they get entangled at the top. तो जो उसको जो निकलता है नीचे से उसको जट बोलते हैं. Basically it's a hair only which is come out of your head hair, but the way we speak, there is a name for everything differently, so that is how it is. So it doesn't matter. So धीरे धीरे जब हम ये सीखेंगे बार अच्छा हुए, so we'll get used to listening also. Now everybody, let us I request everybody to put on your videos and let us have a eye to eye contact. And Priya ji, today you have done us duty in absence of Shivani. Thank you very much for that, because Shivani is not feeling well. So nice of you. Thank you. God bless you. Anybody has any issue? पलाक्षा, आपने पूरा सेशन में मेरे पीछे बोला नहीं, थोड़ा थोड़ा बोला, एक आध बार बोला।
मेरा यार थोड़ा अच्छी थोड़ी आवाज थी, इसीलिए मैं म्यूट पे बोल रही थी, मैं बोल रही थी यार।
नहीं नहीं, अच्छा, वेरी गुड। नहीं, मेरे को तो सुनना है ना, आपकी आवाज इतनी मीठी है, मेरे को तो अच्छा लगना चाहिए ना, मेरे को भी अच्छा लगना।
कुछ पीछे कंस्ट्रक्शन का चल रहा था, इसीलिए थोड़ा म्यूट कर दिया।
ओके ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम। गॉड ब्लेस यू। सो आई अंडरस्टैंड, बाकी लोग डिस्टर्ब हो जाते हैं, बट यू वर रिपीटिंग। हाउ डिड यू लाइक टुडेज लेसन? लेट अस लिसन टू द यंगेस्ट स्टूडेंट टुडे। कैसा लगा तुमको? क्या डिफिकल्ट लगा, क्या अच्छा लगा, बताओ।
मुझे कुछ कुछ वर्ड जैसे च या वैसे होता है थोड़ा हार्ड लगता है, पर मुझे कश्मीरी से इतनी बहुत मजेदार लगती है मोस्टली।
वेरी गुड, वेरी वेरी गुड। तो अभी लेट मी टेल यू, टुडेज जो है ना, जो अभी तक हमने बहुत सारा चीजें, कुछ वर्ड सीखे हमने, ऐसे हिच के वर्ड, वोकैबुलरी स्पनिंग बढ़ावान, अच्छुपन कैपेसिटी बढ़ावान के ऐसे क्या क्या वर्ड कात कात क्या वना, टू सिट, बे, थोद वात, वल, गच, come, go, these words are today in that lesson number 6. There are a lot of such words. ये सारे वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं, यमची तिक्स लफ्ज यमजन ऐस दोहची इस्तेमाल करना, हम अपने जिंदगी में रोज जो बातें करते हैं उसमें हम यूज करते हैं। नाउ व्हाट आई सजेस्ट, व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दिस, कि आपको कुछ बोलना है, कम हियर, इधर आओ, वल यू, just for fun, even if you have to tell somebody who doesn't understand Kashmiri, tell him Wallayud. So he will have a laugh and you will also have some laugh. Say Wallayud means I have learned this, means come here. Okay? Yeah, Gathor, it means you go there. Okay? So start practicing this.
Yes.
This on now onwards, everything now I request all of you, now go through lesson number 1 to 6. उसमें क्या है कि बहुत सारे वर्ड्स जो हमने पहले जस्ट फॉर परसेप्शन के लिए, मतलब वॉवल्स सिखाने के लिए, हाउ टू प्रोनाउंस वॉवल्स, उसमें यूज किए थे हम, नाउ दे मस्ट बी कमिंग बैक एज अ यूसेज समवेयर, जो हमने एज अ सेपरेट वोकैबुलरी नहीं पढ़ी। ठीक है, सो ह्यूशने सेपरेट नाउ, बट दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। इट इज समथिंग लाइक वी लर्न टेबल्स, लक्ष्य ज्यादा अभी हमको तो बहुत साल हो गए पढ़े हुए, we learn tables in first standard or something, 2 ones are 2, but we never forget them, and this is something that till you are alive you have to remember. It is something like the same thing we know in Hindi, khidki, darwaza, now we have to say dar, bar. So this is how we have to start writing, dar, bar. So keep trying this, keep trying this. So these are the words that ये आपको करने पड़ेंगे। सेम वे अजीत जी, मुर्केश जी के लिए ज्यादा चैलेंज है, बट आई थिंक आपको भी, अजीत जी, जब भी आपको लगे ना बोल देने का किसी को, बार कर बंद, तो ही बार बंद करो, उसको समझ नहीं आएगा क्या बोल रहा है, तो एटलीस्ट आपको पास वो बार, वो उसको बोलो दरवाजा बंद करो, यू एम एट द डोर एंड से बार कर बंद, बार बंद करो, तो एटलीस्ट यू विल रिमेम्बर कि बार दरवाजे को बोलते हैं, या खिड़की बंद
Sure,
करना
sir.
क्या बोलते। So this type you start using these words. I am telling you, this
Yes, sir.
applies to everybody. So उससे क्या होता है, ये vocabulary practice में आ जाती है, तभी याद आती है। मैंने संस्कृत सीखी थी, जब तक मैं वो उसका पहले लेसन किया, उसके बाद मेरे पास टाइम नहीं मिला, we have to get back, I have to join. So they would tell me what is a table, what is a chair. So unless you start saying those words, what it means, थालिका क्या होती है, so you will not understand. So this is very, very important. So you have to listen to them, create an image in your mind, and say those words. Okay? Anybody now? Whatever I have to say, my lecture is over. I am here to answer anything whichever you want to say. So let us start with. We
Sir,
didn't give my. हाँ बोलो 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 Parul.
sir, women, what is women called in Kashmiri? Zanan or Mailavan?
Zanan, Zanan.
Zanan. Okay.
प्रिया जी, आपको हमने आज ज्यादा बोलने के लिए बोला नहीं, तो एनीथिंग विल गिव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू स्पीक नाउ, एनीथिंग you would like to say?
No, madam.
Okay, great. Let me go one by one. Seema ji.
हाँ जी, सब ठीक मारा.
चलो ठीक है. Vani ji, as you appear on my screen, I am calling you and in that sequence, okay?
No.
No, nothing. Parul,
Sir, nothing.
Parul, yeah, nothing. Lakshya,
Sir,
हाँ
one
बोलिए.
more thing.
क्या है?
सर जैसे ओके अगर हम बोलते हैं तो ओके को कश्मीरी में क्या बोलेंगे?
Okay, हम ठीक छु. Means
ठीक
yes.
ओके
ठीक छु means
ठीक छो
okay.
ओके ओके सर.
So
और
if
सर
you tell
रिवीजन
me,
को दोहरावन.
हाँ?
रिवीजन मीन्स दोहरावन.
दोहरावन.
ओके यस.
लक्ष्य, आपको कुछ बोलना है और?
ना मारा.
चलो, थैंक यू. गॉड ब्लेस यू. अजीत जी, आपको कुछ बोलना है?
Nothing, sir. Nothing, sir. Thank you, sir.
Vanshika, I hope I've pronounced your name correctly first time.
Yes, no, nothing, no doubts, nothing, everything's okay.
Okay, thank you. Murkesh ji,
Nothing, Masterji. A lot of homework to be done.
don't as I said, do it today, tomorrow. थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा आपको, Weekend is good time. जैसे वो बोलते हैं ना, meditation के लिए time रखना है, ऐसे इसके लिए थोड़ा time निकालना पड़ेगा. So just
Yeah. And
sort of
also,
reflect.
I'm counting on Ishan, who is part of my peer group, to send the voice recordings.
That is great. So he has given his homework to his mom and sister. So I
Yeah,
think
he's outsourced it, and I am outsourcing it to him.
oh, very. Whatever you do, my intention is that you should learn whatever way you want to do. So I am happy with it. Ishan, anything?
बकर ये sentence the homework practice कर use of all these sentences and जमा कर
Chalo,
my vocabulary.
very good. So next time for first 5 minutes we'll listen to Ishan. So
Huh?
remember Priya ji. We'll all listen to Ishan. So don't worry. Somebody has to make a beginning. So I will assign it to this job.
Oh,
Okay.
okay sir. Okay.
Okay.
रद के मारा.
ठीक है. Very good. Shruti ji.
Sir, bihun. So bihun must क्या difference?
कुछ नहीं है. It is the way it is spoken. It's a कुछ लोग बिहुन बोलते हैं, कुछ बिहुन बोलते हैं. So that's why we have written both. So nothing is there. It is just a sort of a dialect issue. Sometimes some people got used to saying bihun, kuch the bihun. So not that much of difference if you listen to it, but the way it is written, so that is why it is given. And nothing.
Thank you.
Vitasta,
No, sir, nothing.
very good. So shall we call it a day now today? But one thing I missed, that some of the number is dwindling, which is not a good sign. वो कभी-कभी क्या होता है, आदमी डर जाता है कि मेरे को होमवर्क मेरे को नहीं आएगा तो मैं क्या करूँगा, मैंने तो किया नहीं. Let me tell you one thing. This is a message. This recording will go on live also later on. This message is for everybody who has registered in this program. Believe me, irrespective of whether you have done your homework or you have not done your homework, see, the very fact that you have enrolled yourself, कि आप लोगों ने मेहनत कुछ सोच समझ के किया हो. कभी-कभी प्रॉब्लम होती है because of something comes up, we are not able to attend class. It happened to me sometime because my hand was broken, so I couldn't do something. It doesn't matter. So what is important that you must join the class and try to see. What happens is that whatever you can see in the recording, you are here in the recording, still you have some doubts. In this class, we try to sort of answer those. So sometimes everything you cannot see in in videos or anything. Otherwise, everything video would be fine. So just a request for everybody to join classes as much as possible. Okay. With that, let us call it a day, and namaskar to everybody.
नमस्कार जी.
नमस्कार
Thank you.
sir.
Let us
नमस्कार.
join.
Masterji.
Then
See you
next
next
class.
Saturday.
Next class. Okay. Thank you.
Namaskar.
Thank you. God bless you.
Namaskar.